On number 23, it says to write the equation in proper standard form. The form it's in right now, remember, is called slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b is called slope-intercept. So all the problems that it said put it in slope-intercept form, that's the form this one's given in. Standard form is ax plus by equals c. So to have it in standard form, the x and the y have to be on the same side of the equation, and the constant, the number without a variable, is on the other side. You also can have no fractions or decimals in this form, and the number in front of x has to be positive. It can't be negative. So the very first thing I look for is if I have a fraction, I'm going to get rid of it first. And so since we have a fraction, I'm going to get rid of that by multiplying every one of these terms, which there are 3 of, by the denominator of the fraction. So I'm going to begin by taking y equals 2/3 x plus 8, which was given, and multiplying all 3 terms by 3. I have to multiply everything to keep it balanced. So the 3 times the y gives me 3y. Then I have my equal sign. The 3 times the 2/3 x, all it does is cancel out that 3 in the denominator. Don't multiply the 3 times the 2. Okay, that 3 cancels that 3. So it leaves you with 2x. And then I'm multiplying 3 times 8 to get 24. So I took care of this problem. I don't have any fractions anymore. Now I'm going to get everything in the order I want it. So that means I want x and y on the same side, and I want to leave my constant by itself. Well, y is already on the left side, but I want the x to be over there with it. And so anytime I'm moving something across the equal sign, I have to remember to change its sign. So since the 2x is positive on the right side, it has to be negative on the left side. So now I have a negative 2x, a positive 3y, negative 2x, a positive 3y, equals, and 24 is by itself on the right side. So now I have it in the right order. I have my x, my y, my equals, and then my constant. But remember, the number in front of x has to be positive. And in my equation, the number in front of x is negative. So to take care of that problem, I'm just going to multiply everything in the equation by -1. And multiplying by -1 only changes the sign, but every single term is going to change signs. So the negative 2x is going to become positive 2x. The positive 3y is going to become negative 3y. And the positive 24 is going to become negative 24. So now I've satisfied all the conditions for it to be in standard form. It's in the right order, there's no fractions, and the number in front of x is positive. So it is in proper standard form.